is Shawn Nehrir. I'm a dealer presenter, national educator with AutoTrader.com, and we're training dealers on how to better connect with their customers, and video is the way to go. So the important factor is that everybody watches video. We're comfortable watching video. Video is easy to watch, and that's the reason why we like TV better than we do radio or any other source of advertisement. Somebody talks to us and somebody shows us something. It's effortless for us to do. And instead of just showing a photo, you could simply show them a video and you're doing so much more for them. In fact, there's some studies that's been happening. 75% of the people that go and to buy cars and to get in the market for doing something, they watch a video. 50% of the customers that do watch a video, they watch them during their car shopping. And obviously, 5 times increase is what a video offers in the customer's interest than is watching a still photo. Of course, 72% of the people of shoppers are more likely to buy something because of a video, and the more occurrences happen that they watch a video, as a result, it would lead them to go and purchase that product. Here's a few examples of customers giving us testimonials on how the video affected them in going down. They shopped 3 or 4 car dealerships, and one of them sent a personal video, and it influenced her to go in there and see that one person because it was so much different than what goes on as a normal photos and people talking over the phone or talking in person. Video makes a huge difference in the customer's perception of how they want to do business. There's some other studies on how much increase there is on a VDP, which is your vehicle display page. When they go shop online, if there's a video involved, the 460% increase in how many more times they will watch your vehicle as opposed to your competitors. And that's a 230% increase in the prospects, in the number of people that get attracted to your product. More people more tend to watch something with a video on it as opposed to if you didn't have it. And last but not least, you got to make sure you realize that videos are the direction we're all going to. And it's a lot similar to a TV. When you watch a TV, somebody narrates it for you and somebody shows you something. It's effortless to do and watch. And that's where the communication and connection comes in.